Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over the role of dehumidifiers in water damage restoration. Water damage can cause severe structural and health problems if not addressed quickly. Dehumidifiers play a critical role in restoration by reducing moisture and humidity levels, preventing mold growth, and ensuring wet areas dry properly. Why use dehumidifiers? Reduce moisture humidity. High humidity can lead to mold, wood rot, and bacteria growth. Dehumidifiers pull moisture from the air, making drying more effective. Speed up the drying process. They work by pulling in damp air, removing excess moisture, and circulating dry air back into the space. The best areas for dehumidifiers. Bathrooms. Help dry wet floors, walls, and fixtures to prevent mold and keep surfaces sanitized. Kitchens and sinks. Prevent water damage in cabinets, floors, and walls by removing excess moisture. Basements and crawl spaces. Reduce damp conditions and prevent mold, mildew, and structural damage. Here are the benefits of dehumidifiers and water damage restoration. They prevent secondary damage, protects wood, drywall, and metal from warping, rust, and deterioration from humid conditions, improves the air quality, reduces mold and bacteria, and lowers the health risks and creates a safer living space. Enhance restoration efficiency, helps speed up drying so cleaning and repairs can begin sooner in conjunction with drying fans. To conclude, dehumidifiers are essential in water damage restoration. They dry wet areas, prevent mold, and maintain a clean and safe environment. At PDQ Restoration, we specialize in fire and water damage restoration across North Jersey. Please give us a call today.